Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is one of those success classics that never grows old. Unlike so many modern finance, investment, or wealth hacks, Hill doesn't promise overnight success, nor teach you how to make a rapid windfall. Instead, Hill advocates the "sow now, reap later" approach. His book outlines 13 success principles, which take time to be applied, understood, and internalized as habits. The good news is, once you master these principles, you literally think and grow rich, and you see your wealth and success jump exponentially. The 6 steps to riches. So, how do we start to think and grow rich? Well, begin with these 6 steps. Fix in your mind the exact amount of money you desire. Decide exactly what you will offer for that money. Select a definite date to possess the money. Create a definite plan and implement it immediately. Summarize steps 1 to 4 into a clear written statement. Read this statement 2 times daily, and feel yourself already possessing the money. Let's take a look at this example. If you intend to accumulate $50,000 by the 1st of January 2024, and you plan to do that by offering your professional services as a writer, your written statement could look like this. By the first day of January 2024, I will have in my possession $50,000, which will come to me in various amounts from time to time during the interim. In return for this money, I will give the most efficient service of which I am capable, rendering the fullest possible quantity, and the best possible quality of service in the capacity of writer. Describe the writing services that you intend to offer. Famous martial arts actor Bruce Lee used this step to much success in his career. Here is the affirmation that propelled him to greatness. My chief personal aim in life. I, Bruce Lee, will be the highest paid Asian superstar in the United States. In return, I will give the most exciting performances and render the best of quality in the capacity of an actor. Starting in 1970, I will achieve world fame, and from then onward till the end of 1980 I will have in my possession the sum of $10 million. Then I will live the way I please and achieve inner harmony and happiness. Bruce Lee. So, what will your statement look like? Take the first step. Think through points 1 to 4, and write down your statement now. Then, read the statement twice per day, while working concurrently to master the 13 success principles detailed in the book. The 13 success principles. It isn't enough to just write the statement and read it daily. These 6 steps must be supported by 13 success principles, summarized in this graphic. Let's look at each of these 13 principles individually. Desire, not a mere wish or hope, but a burning desire or consuming obsession. Faith, belief in the attainment of desire can be developed by repeatedly affirming and visualizing with feeling. Autosuggestion, repeated self-suggestion using all 5 senses until your mind accepts it as fact. Specialized knowledge, identify and acquire knowledge of the specific product, service, or niche you intend to serve. Imagination, give shape, form, and action to desire, using synthetic imagination to combine specialized knowledge with ideas. Organized planning, keep creating plans with the help of a mastermind group until your plan works. Make decisions with a definite purpose, and stand behind them with strong desire and faith. Persistence, to build persistence, strengthen your desire, definiteness of purpose, plans, and positive influences, cooperation. Mastermind, convert knowledge to power by assembling it into plans and taking action, with the help of a mastermind group. Harmonious cooperation by greater than 2 people for a definite purpose. Sex transmutation, sex is the most powerful mind stimulus. Redirect that energy from physical expression to the attainment of your desires. Subconscious mind, this is the link between your finite mind and infinite intelligence. Plant it in any plan, thought, or purpose, with positive emotions. Brain, brain equals broadcasting station of thought vibrations. The subconscious mind sends thoughts with feelings, and creative imagination receives inspiration and hunches. Sixth sense, access infinite intelligence effortlessly, after mastering steps 1 through 12. True, the process outlined by Hill doesn't deliver wealth and riches overnight. However, this recipe promises to yield results with repeated use and mastery. As you embark on this journey, if you find yourself feeling frustrated or impatient along the way, know that you are not alone. Just remember this quote by Napoleon Hill directly from the book. When riches begin to come, they come so quickly and in such great abundance. One wonders where they have been hiding all those lean years. Align yourself with the 6 principles and take the 13 steps. The power to transform your life is within your grasp. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you think you received some real value from this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons on the way out, and don't forget to get the lights. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.